Welcome to the all-new Euro Tour drum lessons from ICanPlayDrums.com. Shot at 7 exotic outdoor locations right across Europe, this digital download video series presents a concise collection of drum grooves, useful from across many different contemporary settings. In each of the 7 in-depth chapters, you are presented the original chord pattern, shot from multiple camera angles, with in-depth detailed instruction and on-screen music notation. The grooves taught are greatly varied, and you will find them useful to implement in many contemporary settings, from rock, funk, gospel, Latin, and many more. Here's a quick sample of some of the grooves in the chorus. This course is one of a kind, and right now you can get it at a greatly reduced price. Click the Order Now button to secure your copy now.